Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I got some hair from YIROO on Amazon. I think I'm saying that right. YIROO. I don't know, but I got some hair from them on Amazon and I wanted to do an unboxing video because I really do like how this box looks. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this box and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. Let's talk about this box real quick. So this box is from YIROO. It has to be YIROO because if it was YIROO, it would be Y-U. Duh. So we're just going to say YIROO. So it says YIROO. Then it says your hair, your crown. Then this is really cute. It has the Amazon and the search little bar. And it has their name in there. And they're basically telling you that's where you can find their store on Amazon. Just type that in. And then down below it says wigs because they do sell wigs. Now in this box, I already know what it is. They sent me 6 packs of their Passion Twist hair because I am going back to Passion Twist and they asked me to review their hair, but I wanted to do an unboxing video first and then I'm going to do another hair tutorial installing the hair. But we're going to go ahead and open this box and show you guys what I got. So in the box are the 6 packs of Passion Twist. They sent me a wig cap, which is actually pretty good because I need this anyways for some of the wigs that I need to review. So I appreciate them for sending this. I don't need it for the Passion Twist, but it was really kind of them for sending this. So that's cool. And then they sent me, this looks like a hairband. Looks like a hairband that more than likely I'm not going to be using, but I appreciate them for sending this as well. So as you guys know, I've been wearing Passion Twist here and there since about February of this year. I went from Passion Twist to Spring Twist, but mainly Passion Twist. So far, the Passion Twists that I've had, the first time I did them, I used some hair that I got from the hair store, which I will link down below in the description box so you guys can see that. But I've been wearing Amazon Passion Twist hair for the past few months now. So you guys have seen me in Honey Blondish Passion Twist, which was free twist. Then you see me in the Black Passion Twist and the Burgundy Passion Twist. So I decided to go ahead and go back to the 1BT27, which is kind of similar to what I've had when I first did Passion Twist. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So this is the 1BT27 Passion Twist. So I have 6 of these. So this is how the hair looks. I've really been feeling the 1BT27 kind of look. So this is going to be my next shade for Passion Twist. Now off the bat, what I noticed when I opened this up, I do smell something. I didn't notice a smell with other Passion Twists that were sent to me, but these do smell. So yeah, I mean, it's not a bad smell, but I'm just noticing that there is a smell to it, so I'm definitely gonna have to get that out. But as far as the hair, as I can see with this one in particular, because this is the only one I'm going to open up, it's a bit frizzy, but that's fine. I can work with that and get it less frizzy. But the hair is nice. Aside from the frizziness, it's really nice. So I am really excited to be trying this Passion Twist hair out. So as soon as I take this sew-in out, I will be doing my Passion Twist again. So I will be sure to film the tutorial, even though I've done a tutorial already. But since this is another company, I will be doing another tutorial for them because they asked me to. So I'll be doing a hair tutorial for this, and then I've been promising you guys for the longest time that I am going to do a video showing you guys how to style some Passion Twists. So definitely keep an eye out on those videos. Any other videos that you guys suggest as far as passion twists, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will try my best to get those videos out for you guys. But again, I want to thank YIROO on Amazon for reaching out to me and asking me to try their passion twist hair. I really do appreciate it. So I am looking forward to using their hair and seeing how it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, of course. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.